Hi, my name is Jonathan Bermudez, and I have been doing hair systems for about 3 years now. I first started doing hair systems actually by a request of one of my family members, my cousin, who had gone to a wedding and had noticed from pictures that he had lost a lot of hair and he wanted to fix that. He had asked me what I had known about men's hair replacement systems, and so I told him, give me some time and let me do some research, which then started my journey with Lordhair systems. I first decided to do some research on what systems were out there, what brands were out there, and I discovered Lordhair systems in my search and found out that they were a great company for me to partner with. I liked the customer service, I liked the partnership, I love the hair systems, the quality. Once I decided to partner up with Lordhair systems and bring it into my salon as a new added service, I then had to promote it. How did I promote Lordhair systems in my salon? Really, it's just as simple as talking about it. Talking to all of your clients, all of them. Men, women, even people who don't need a hair system, just educating on them as an option. Some people don't even know that it's an option, or that they look realistic, or the technology has improved vastly from way back in the day. So educating, talking to clients about what the new services that we offer, men's replacement hair systems, women toppers, replacement systems, anything like that. It's just as an extension. I used to do a lot of hair extensions, so this was an easy transition for me to switch over and talk about it and introduce it to all my clients. Everyone knows a friend, a relative, a spouse, anyone that could use a hair system or a topper. I definitely feel right now the market is definitely growing for both men and women extensions and hair systems. I feel for men, it's definitely becoming more and more popular as it is for women to wear wigs. So men are expressing themselves, playing with hair toppers or hair systems, being able to change the color, the length, the style, just in a quick 2-hour appointment has been great. They see that instant transformation, and I think it's great that men finally have something that they can choose to explore with. I have a client who's done many different hair changes throughout our relationship with Lordhair system, anywhere from color changes, length changes. It's really just a fun way to change up a look for all people.